How to join a tribe in Viking Rise. So there are a lot like steps of joining a tribe in Viking Rise. So progress in game until you unlock the tribe system by building or upgrading the tribe hall. So once you reach your chief's hall to level 5, then you will be unlocking tribe hall. That you can place it anywhere in the map. So once you unlock the tribe hall, then browse the list of available tribes and select the one that fits your level or activity. Yeah, first of all, you must go to the Tribe Alliance menu in the game, then tap to apply to join a tribe. Some tribes accept automatically, others require approval. So after you're accepted, you'll be benefited from shared resources, manpower, and tribe activities. So I'll also be giving you some tips. For example, pick a tribe whose requirements match your playstyle. If your application doesn't get accepted, try applying to another tribe. Being in a tribe early helps you progress faster because of shared help and reduced build quest times. Make sure your chips hall or relevant building is high enough level to unlock tribe system. So you can simply do that and follow my tips. Hopefully this video helps. Thank you.